Right, here we are. It's my first unboxing video. Not going to be my last video. What we've got here is something I ordered off eBay. It's a multi-tool garden tool, 3 horsepower, 52cc, which is nice. 5-in-1 tool made by Aosome. Let's call them awesome. Let's hope that they are. Right, I have already opened the box. Let's have a look. Okay, this was £142 off eBay. Let's see what we get in the box. Okay, mixing jug, which is nice. 25 to 1, 40 to 1 on there. On the other side, oh, 35 to 1, 50 to 1. Fuel mixing thing. That's always quite handy. Instructions. Let's hope these are easy to read and not in some weird ass language. Assembly stuff. I'm going to have to put some stuff together, so instructions, always good. Then we've got a harness. So its harness is like. Second. Okay, here's the harness. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Seen worse. Sort it out at some point. Might use it. Use it as a spare. Set gardening gloves. Not bad. They'll last a little bit. Tool pouch. Nice. Let's see. Got any tools wise. Spark plug. Screwdriver on the other end. Flathead screwdriver. Allen key. Cable ties. 8 and 10mm spanner. That's not a bad spanner actually. It's better than usual multi-tool spanner type rubbish that you get. Quite good. Good. Comes in a pencil case. Look at that. Bonus. Okay, ear defenders. Probably not the best ear defenders in the world, but better than having nothing on your head, I suppose. Packaging. Okay, a funnel, which has probably seen better days. I think that's supposed to be round. Oh, well, never mind now, it just... I don't want to say what that looks like. Right, we have a strimmer head, nice, and a spare. Oh push, they both got thread in them, or line in them. Not sure how good it is. Is it a different line? Yep, I think it is actually. 2 different types of line. What else we got? Oh, safety glasses. Useful. And bearing in mind actually, when you got all this all came in with it. This is a lot of stuff so far for the money. £142. And we've got all this with it so far. These are all accessories that, you know, you usually come next to. I mean, you might get one head on the majority of products, but you don't usually come with 2. That's going to be quite useful. There's my cat. He wants to come and interfere. What we got here? We'll see the cover for the chainsaw attachment. It does come for a chainsaw. The guard for the bottom of the strimmer. The handles. The strimmer. Oh, nice. Brush cutting blade. So not only have we got 2 heads for the strimmer. Thanks, Mindy. Not only have we got 2 heads for the strimmer, but we've got the brush cutter as well. Loads of stuff there for cutting. What else we got down here then? What's this? Oh, that's the blade for the chainsaw. So I'm guessing there'll be a chain around here somewhere. Probably in here. Let's take this out. This is the chainsaw actual shaft, the adjustment bit of it. A bottle to put oil in. That's good. There we are. There's the chain. A guard cover. That's never ending, this box. How much do they put in here? Strimmer head attachment, there we go. Let's sort that out at some point. We've got the main hub. Seems to be the main engine. It's got some weight to it. Hold on a second, let's get it out. Right, okay, I've got it out from its wrapping. This feels like an absolute monster. Feels really nicely put together. It's nice. Okay, yeah, I was saying, feels really sturdy. Buttons have a nice feel. It clicks quite nicely, doesn't feel naff or anything. Oh, adjustment, cool. Oh, it feels really good, that. Nice sponge grip down here as well. Right. Well, so I'm finally getting to the bottom. Oh god. There's another pull. Hedge cutter attachment. So, remembering with this, we have a hedge cutter attachment, we have 2 strimmer heads, we have a brush cutter blade, we have a chainsaw, and then what we've got down here is the extension pole. So not only is it going to be quite long by the time I put one of these on the end, but then I can put that in between anyway and make it really long. Okay, so that, get rid of the box. That. Right, okay. Well, I've unpacked a few of the things. I haven't taken out the chainsaw length yet, because obviously it's unpacked, but there is a load of grease and stuff on the inside of there. I don't want to dry it out and make it covered in rubbish before I put it together, so I'm going to leave that in its wrapper for now. But here's everything that you can see that we got with it. We've got the chainsaw length, that's all that needs to be put together. There's the hedge cutting attachment, there's the strimmer attachment, there's the extension pole, there's the absolute beast that it is anyway, 3 horsepower. I will follow this video up with a review. I'll put it together, I'll get it working, I'll see what it's actually like. Mixing box, the handles, 2 strimmer heads, cover for guard for the chainsaw, brush cutter attachment, safety glasses, safety ear muffs, there's the chain, instructions, harness, the funnel, gloves, and a pencil case full of tools. And that's, oh, and obviously the guard there for the strimmer. So if you look at that, 140 quid off eBay, that is a lot of stuff. There's an amazing amount of stuff. I'll follow up with a review, I'll get it working, we'll see how it actually goes. So yeah, watch this space.